Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of your screen, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now you want to swipe down on them again to extend the list, and this will also give you the names of these toggles, which will be easier to locate the Do Not Disturb mode based on the name. For me, it is right over here. Once you see the toggle, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Now, once you have gone through the options right here, you can then toggle it on either here or by tapping on a toggle here. And additionally, we have the options for schedule in here and also duration for quick settings. This option is something that I personally really like. It defines what happens when you toggle it on. Now by default, it is set to until you turn off. So when you turn it on and you forget about it, it will run indefinitely in the background. I personally, for that reason, like to select the timed one and make it around 4 hours, which seems to be the kind of optimal time to cover anything that I will need, plus a little bit of time extra. So now whenever I enable my Do Not Disturb mode, it will run for a specified amount of hours, which in this case is 4, and after that time it automatically turns off. And if I remember about it, I can turn it off before the timer runs out. So just a nice precaution in case you tend to forget about this mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.